Right now, invisible signals are racing through underwater cables stretched across the ocean floor just so a web page can appear on your screen. And the whole journey takes less time than a single blink. So what exactly is happening inside that fraction of a second? Every website you visit kicks off a chain reaction involving dozens of machines spread across the planet. It starts the moment you type an address and hit enter. Your computer doesn't actually understand words like google.com, it only understands numbers. Every device on the internet has a unique numerical address, called an IP address, like a home address for your machine. So your computer first needs to translate that human-friendly name into a number. It sends a question to a special lookup server called a DNS resolver. Think of it like calling directory assistance. That lookup server checks its records and fires back the correct numerical address in milliseconds. Now your computer knows where to go. It reaches out across the internet toward that destination and asks to open a connection. The internet itself is not one single thing, it is a massive web of routers, which are devices that pass messages from one network to the next like a relay race. Your request hops through dozens of these routers, each one reading the destination address and deciding the fastest next step forward. Imagine dropping a letter into a postal system where every sorting office looks at the envelope and picks the best next office to send it to. That is exactly how your data packet travels. When your request finally reaches the website's server, a powerful computer sitting in a data center somewhere in the world, that server reads what you asked for. It then assembles the page, the text, the images, the layout instructions, all broken into small chunks called packets. Those packets don't all travel the same path back to you. Some might cross an Atlantic fiber optic cable, others might bounce through a satellite link. Think of it like water flowing downhill. Each packet finds whatever route is open and fast at that exact moment. When the packets arrive at your device, your browser acts like a puzzle solver, reassembling them in the right order. Then it reads the layout instructions and paints the page onto your screen, pixel by pixel, top to bottom. And all of this, the lookup, the connection, the request, the assembly, the delivery, the rendering, happens in roughly 300 milliseconds. Most websites also store copies of themselves on servers close to you, in regional hubs called content delivery networks, so the data barely has to travel at all. This is why a site hosted in Tokyo can load just as fast in Toronto. The internet is not a cloud floating somewhere above us, it is a physical skeleton of cables, routers, and server farms built on every continent and laid across every ocean floor. Every time a page loads, you're not just browsing the web, you're completing a lap around the planet.